born in London, spoke Welsh at home with the family. I can't read or write Welsh. It was fun having a secret language. I could speak with my brother at an English primary school. There's no split loyalties when it comes to Six Nations in the spring. And I went to my first Wrecsam game with my grandfather, my Tide, in 1981. And in case anybody thinks I'm some fair weather fan or recent convert, and I know we have members of the law faculty here today, I've brought a piece of evidence to back this up that I'd like entered into the record. I have my first ever Wrecsam shirt from 1979. I think it's fair to say I've outgrown it, but I haven't outgrown my love of Wrecsam. So I've mentioned my brother Griff there. Griff has a pretty cool job. He's a 2D visual effects supervisor in London on some of the most famous Hollywood movies you're bound to have seen or heard of. For example, Captain America, Mission Impossible. Well, in March 2020, the world faced its own Mission Impossible, which is what we were going to do about this serious pandemic that was getting worse and worse by the day. And I'm afraid not even Tom Cruise was going to get us out of this one. We didn't have all the answers in March 2020, but I'm very proud to say that I was amongst those professionals who said we're going to do something about it. We're ready. This is our moment. We're ready. I can't help but think that your moment in life is yet to come. Enjoy the small victories along the way. The big stuff will look after itself. But I know, thanks to your time at Prifysgol Bangor, that you are now ready too. Diolch yn fawr iawn.